Hi, hello, and Pola Vinaka to everyone who's watching. My name is Naval Kumar, and I'm a software engineer from Fiji. I wrote another project, so without wasting any time, let's get started. You know, as developers, we consistently have to keep ourselves up to date with new technologies, frameworks, and languages. Currently, I'm in the process of learning Angular myself, and I kind of got bored from watching all the tutorial videos. So I thought to myself, why not make a small project just to see if I know enough to be able to make one myself? Now, a couple days ago, I was compressing an image on this website for, let's say, work purposes.
चल झूठा
Anyways, this website gave me an idea of making a simple image compressor of my own. So I thought, why not use Angular to make this? Just to give you a high level explanation, the way this works is that I'm taking an uncompressed image, which is a JPEG or PNG file, and I'm encapsulating it into a file model object. This contains details like its name, size, type, and its base 64 string representation, and I'm posting this object to my file compression API, which uses a .NET image compression library called ImageMagick. Link to it will be in the video description. You can check it out later. So this compresses and optimizes the image and encapsulates the new data back into a compressed image file object and returns this object back to the front end to be displayed and downloaded by the user. The implementation is fairly simple and straightforward, but it allows you to test whatever understanding you have of the basic concepts in Angular and how it handles interactivity with web APIs. Now let me show you a demo of the completed project.
It works. It worked. Nice.
So that's it with the video, guys. If you guys enjoyed the video, learned something new, then do give this video a thumbs up. I'll put a link to the project code in the description so you can check it out, modify it, learn from it, and improve the code to build something of your own. You know, as software engineers, it's important not just to watch tutorial videos, but it's also important that you use the knowledge that you have gained from those videos to build small projects and see if you are able to recall those concepts and make those projects, and then work your way towards making large scale projects. That's how we learn, that's how we grow, and that's how we develop our skills and refine them. That's just a piece of advice from me. Happy coding and happy learning. Yeah, thanks. Peace out.